I never thought I wanted to be involved in politics. But you asked me earlier, what do you have to do to be civically engaged? And that is passion and commitment. And I've always wanted what's best for my community. I've always wanted what's best for my neighborhood. Got involved in the neighborhood council. And when we passed the street bond in 2004, I was in the midst of raising 2 children, one of them very young, who didn't sleep through the night. Didn't have a lot of time for neighborhood meetings. So the street bond got passed without me paying a lot of attention to it. But I voted for it thinking, you know, this may cost me some extra money in my property taxes, but it'll get the streets paved and they'll implement the comprehensive plan when they do it. And lo and behold, one of the first streets they did when they did the street bond was a project in my neighborhood on Bernard Street. And instead of implementing the comprehensive plan, as I thought would be a natural requirement, they just came in, wanted to take out all the trees and put down nothing but the asphalt the way it was, which just pushed me over the edge. It was just unreasonable that we as a community would have had a discussion over 5 years about how we wanted our city to look and how we wanted it to grow, and then completely ignore that plan. And so I said, this won't do. If we have people in office who are not going to implement our vision that we spent 5 years, infinite number of man hours, and $8 million generating, then something's wrong, and that's got to change. And that's been my commitment ever since, is essentially to get to the city council to champion the people's vision and to implement their plan.